Hello guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna do an unboxing and also a review on the ITALCO Gloss X1. This is a new paint gun that ITALCO sent me. So let's just open it up, see what's inside the box, and get going with the review. Starting off, let's just open the box, and right off the bat you're gonna have your manual right there, and you're gonna have your toolkit. It also comes with a cleaning kit, a filter, and some Allen wrenches. Okay, this comes with a box. You're gonna have your cup, and let's get to the gun. And this gun, guys, just for mentioning, it's extremely light. It doesn't weigh anything. I don't have a scale to weigh it, but it is extremely light, so that's a plus for it. All right, it's a real nice design right there. Gloss X1. This is an HVLP, and it has a 1.3 needle nozzle combination. I like the finish of it. The knobs are real easy, and it's only half a turn for the pattern and half a turn for the air. And this is your needle, your trigger adjustment. All right, that's it. And it also comes with some extra seals, just in case you need them. You have them. But all in all, it's a real nice gun. That's all that comes in the box. Let me just start preparing it so that I can start doing the review on it. All right, let's get to that. I'm gonna be shooting this trunk lid. It's from Buick Grand National. It's also the spoiler that comes with the trunk lid. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's where I'm going to be doing the review of that Gloss 1. So let's just get started and continue. This is the gun's ready. It's ready to go. And this is the sealer I'm going to be using right there. It's a medium gray. All right, guys. So let me just prepare that so that we can take a look at that gun, see how it sprays. It's the 3 coats of base. It laid it down real nice. My initial thoughts on the gun, on the base, is that it sprayed it down nice and flat. So, and it's again real light. The only thing I had to do to adjust it is I needed to lower it down a little bit. The fan pattern was extremely wide. So once I choked it down a little bit, it came out awesome. It came out real nice. There's the tail right there. And now I'm gonna try this gun with the clear. Let's see how the 3 coats of clear does. But all in all, for the base, it did an excellent job. All right, guys. I was shooting it at 29 psi. So let's start with the clear. See how that goes. And this is after a couple of hours of drying. Right there you can see, nice and shiny. So talking about the gun, the paint sprayed it awesome. The clear, it does leave a little bit of orange peel, but it leaves it like if it was a factory paint job. It's not that bad. It is. I was shooting the clear at 33 psi, so I need to play with the gun, see if I can adjust it a little bit more just to give me a flatter surface. But all in all, you can see right there, guys, nice and shiny. And the gun performed excellent. The gun performed the way it's supposed to, and I do recommend them. I'm going to leave all the information for this company, ITALCO, and go ahead and take a look at the other guns that they have. All right, guys, and this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys liked the review, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And guys, have a great week. Have a great, stay safe. And like always, guys, God bless.